More than a year after a Sioux Falls man was shot and killed outside his home, the original suspects are out of jail and are no longer charged with his death. 36-year-old Tunis Lomax and his family lived in an apartment near 26th Street and Bonson Avenue.
It took 8 months, but police eventually arrested 4 men ranging in age from 18 to 22. But now, less than a year later, they're no longer charged in connection with Lomax's death. KELOLAND's Lauren Solik has an update on the case.
When officers found Tunis Lomax's body outside his eastern Sioux Falls apartment in the early morning hours of August 20th, 2022, they also found a .40 caliber shell casing nearby. 20 days later, police responded to a report of a shooting on East 10th Street.
September 10th, the following day, the vehicle associated with that second shooting was located and a subject was arrested. Also inside that vehicle was a stolen handgun, same caliber as the shooting in the Mr. Lomax homicide.
In 2022, Lieutenant Nick Butler said someone interviewed in connection with that second shooting bought the gun a few weeks after Lomax was shot. Eventually, that interview led authorities to 20-year-old Mohammed Hassan and 20-year-old Hamza Hassan. Court documents show the two were linked to evidence found inside stolen vehicles that had been seen in the area of Lomax's August death. In May 2023, they were arrested and charged with manslaughter, which they each pleaded not guilty to. Fast forward to this year, and those charges have been dismissed. In February, Mohammed Hassan pleaded guilty to possession of a stolen vehicle and accessory to a felony. He's scheduled to be sentenced in May. Earlier this month, Hamza Hassan pleaded guilty to misprision of a felony. According to court documents, that means he admitted to knowing about a felony of grand theft, but did not disclose that information to the proper authorities. For that charge, he received a suspended sentence and wasn't required to spend any additional time behind bars. As for who had that .40 caliber handgun and who shot Tunis Lomax, according to the courts, those questions remain unanswered. In Sioux Falls, Lauren Solik, KELOLAND News.
And we checked with police today. They say they are still investigating Lomax's death. Those who knew him best remember him as a husband, father, and friend who made people around him smile. We received a statement from the state's attorney's office, who you can read that in its entirety with this story on KELOLAND.com.